What up, memers? It is Memer Guy Sasa Robert, and today we're about to grind, build a boat, and you must be asking, why am I grinding? Because because of the Fall Wars Season 2. I know it hasn't been announced yet, but oh wait, it has. Yeah, and whoop. Yeah, I'm grinding because I know what game I'm gonna be competing in, and yeah, I'm gonna grind. So we're gonna grind. Yeah, we're gonna grind. I got permission from Bob Comics. Yeah. So so a little story because I think season 2 was announced like in November. Uh, pretty sure. November. Or was it 2020 July? I'm not pretty sure. So yeah, I grinded on this game before, and and oh, yeah. So we're gonna be grinding for this one. Yeah, this one. And okay, I'm not gonna tell it because I know he's watching the video. No, I'm doing a video. So yeah, we're gonna build. Where? I need to buy more of these. I feel like once we lose these, I think it's. But we need to catch up. We need to work on the speed, man. So blocks. Oh, you wouldn't need that. So yeah, we'll quit that. So look for the thing. Where is it? No. Yes, this one. We're not gonna build it. We're not gonna build it. So we're gonna do this. Bob, okay, can I show you something? Look. Click. No, click. Okay. So I need to just take that off. So click. Look at this. That definitely counts as seeing. Look. Oh my god. I could build this. I could build something like this in like under 30 seconds. Look at that. Wow. So we're not gonna do that because I know the rules. And this all depends on how much time. The amount of defenses I have in this tower. No, I'm in this boat depends on how much time we have. I really hope we have a good amount of time. That's because if we don't, I'm gonna spam. That's the strategy. So let's begin. Okay, ready to launch? Oh wait, how long is the video? How long is the video? 8 minutes. So we need to go quick. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we already sprint. Oh, can I move? Yeah, I can move. Can I move it? Can I move the boat? I don't want to wait too long. Please touch the boat. Touch the water. Am I controlling or am I don't? I need to learn how to place the motor good. No, no, it's no start, no tag for the burger. God, man. Ugh, it's gotta be the data site. I need to learn how to place the motor good. Just turn. I can't turn. Come on, man. I can't even move. This has gotta be the end for the motor, isn't it? I can't talk. This day's okay. The motor's pressing pretty long, and oh yeah, just move like that. No, okay, okay. I can't get enough speed right now. So we have to wait and just wait and see. Fun fact. This kind of boring grinding like this. Yo, I didn't even save. You man. So we're just sitting here, mining. We're just sailing on the boat. Sailing on the boat. Sailing on the boat. Ooh, sailing on the boat. 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 Sailing on the. Whoa, did I turn? Sailing on the boat. Sailing on the boat. What is this level? Well, I mean zone. We're waiting for the projectile zones. Ah, man, it's so boring. This is so. Come on. We cannot do it well, but it's so less boring. It's much more fun in a phone wizard also because someone's talking to me. I hear talking. Oh boy. Oh, there's a train. Oh, we got really okay. Just go fast. Please go fast. We really gotta watch out for the train. Ooh, is it like a chance moment? That's gotta destroy our whole boat. That's gotta destroy the whole boat. I need at least we need to get a point there. And then that ching ching, yeah, we need that. We need that. So dice, that's dice. Is this worrying? I don't think this is worrying. Unless, oh, maybe it is. Is it? Maybe not. Maybe it is. We're still going. They're right. We just. We're still pretty good. Oh, is that pufferfish? Oh boy, this is bad. Let's keep on moving. Yeah, we have 2 more. No, 3 more. Just after this. Okay, are we stuck? No, we're not. Yeah, it's moving along. Oh boy, why is the puffer still here? Get out of here. Go back to your zone. Go back. Oh boy. Get back, you dude. No, I think the last zone has gotta be the most, maybe the most hardest one. I don't think anyone's gonna make it there. I'm not really sure if anyone's gonna make it there. It's just, I don't know. No! Gotta censor that one out. Gotta edit that one out. I wonder if my opponent can make it there. Maybe not. Are we doing good or not? Looks like my bow is handling it pretty good. Yeah, honestly, is anyone gonna make it up to this point? I don't know. I think we're losing blocks. Ah, we're losing blocks. We're losing blocks. I can never find it right. Okay. I think we made it. I think we're pretty good. We're pretty good. Yeah, we made it. Unless something happens and then. So yeah. Wait, we did make it. Ooh. We did make it. Oh, it was so tiring. We make it. Ooh. The spikes. Oh. It's probably a bad call for them. Man. Yeah, we made it. So it's a good time to jump. I think it's a good time to jump. So let's jump. And I'm stuck. I'm gonna get back on. I'm stuck. Oh wait, I just realized I trapped myself in the cage. Come on. Make it. We made it. Yes. But wait, where'd my backpack go? Oh, I think it disappeared. Ah, we finally made it. Here we go. How long am I recording? It's like almost 20 minutes. That's how long that one is. Let's just open this chest. Go! We grinded gold, guys. We grinded. 1 gold block. Yes. How much of a gold we got? 132 gold. Wow. That's pretty good. So let's buy what we want. So it's this one. Buy what's inside the legendary chest. So let's open it. Boom. Boom. I mean, okay. Here we go. What's inside? Oh, 35, 30, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. That's pretty good. I mean, blocks. We got blocks. A lot of blocks. So it's a pretty good deal. Yeah, pretty good deal. So, just hopes to me for not screwing up the first round of the last Fun Wars and not in this one. So, that's still lame as always. Funny story. I recorded the same a topic video, but I don't know where the screen recording went. It just disappeared out of nowhere. It just went into the void. I don't know. I waited for her to load up, and it still didn't make it. I gotta stop recording. So here's for Fun Wars 2. Bye.